Filmora 13 First Look, New Arrival Feature.
Right-click at the video. See AI Vocal Remover. Is really AI magic tool. Let's play first background music. Let's play vocal part. Really speechless. 10 out of 10. In Filmora 13's audio tab, navigate to the AI music generator, click on the start button. Within this feature, you will discover options for selecting from 8 different music moods and 5 distinct themes. Additionally, you can set the desired time and duration for your music and specify how many copies would you like to generate. Let's process exhilarating mood with a cinematic theme and a duration of approximately 3 minutes. Click on the generate button to initiate the music creation process. It generates 5 copies for me and I want to select any of them. See, the durations are same and the theme and the mood is also same. You can ask keys to customize sound for vocal reason and voiceover or making a custom music tracking. I hope you like this video, and if you like, please share and like.